Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient background using the mask feature on CapCut PC. So go to background and just select any color that you want. I'll just use this for the I'll just use this green for the main background. I know you can use canvas, but we're already here, so select the purple and select either the star or the heart shape, whichever one you want. I'm just going to make it super big. And I'm going to feather it out a little. Then I am going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to select a different color, for instance this yellow one, and I'm going to replace clip, and I'm going to make the star now smaller. Let's just put this in the middle, and we're going to make that smaller. If you want to blend it out a little bit more, you can just feather that out, copy and paste that, and I'm going to add in this blue, replace clip, and I'm going to make it smaller again, and then I'm going to feather it out a little bit more, and I'm going to select this yellow color and I'm going to add that on top again, and I'm going to make it super small, and I'm just going to feather that out. And then you can just add in like a text here that says gradient or whatever. I don't really like this blue, so I'm going to replace it with this pink instead. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. You can also add like a blur to blur it out even more. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.